Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Today we're making chili chicken with cabbage. Take 2 tablespoons of tabasco, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and you mix it all together. This is the mop. Then you take the chicken, whichever pieces you like. I have some tenders. You mop one side, mop the other side, into the oven for about 40 minutes at 200 Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit until you reach the internal 165 or 72 Celsius, which is good. In the meantime, you make some mayo. You take 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Mix it together into the fridge and let it mellow out for, I don't know, until it's time to eat. I did this just after the other and it was perfect. Then you take some cabbage, you slice it thinly. This is 2 pounds of cabbage in total that I'm slicing up, and in a skillet I melt about half a stick of butter or 60 grams, put the cabbage in there, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and then I fry this probably for 30 minutes on medium low until it got really soft. This is what the chicken looked like, and it was time to plate it. A bed of cabbage, some chicken on top. Then I took some of the sauce that was in the pan. It was really good, and I just put it on there for 30. Any which way, I put a dollop of the sauce and a little bit of avocado, and it was time to taste it. There we go, some chili chicken with paprika mayo and some cabbage. That was really good together. Cabbage has been boiling down to soft. It's really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.